Hi everyone! In this packet tracer tutorial, we are going to learn how to create VLANs on a Cisco switch using packet tracer. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to connect two different LANs using a router. For this tutorial, we are going to create a small office network and configure VLANs. Before we start the configuration, let's understand why we use VLANs. VLANs allow us to divide a network into smaller logical networks. We use VLANs to improve security, reduce unnecessary broadcast traffic, and make network management easier. In this example, we will use VLANs to separate the management department and finance department on the same switch. Now we will start building our network. We have a small company with two departments, management departments and finance departments. We have one Cisco switch and 4 computers. Now all computers are connected to the same network. At this moment, there is no separation between management and finance department. We will test the connection. From PC1, we will ping PC3. As we can see, the communication is successful. Now we are going to create VLANs. We will create two VLANs. VLAN 2 for the management department and VLAN 3 for the finance department. Click on the switch and open the config tab. Now we need to create our VLANs. Create VLAN 2 and name it Management. Next, we create VLAN 3 and name it Finance. Now our VLANs have been created. The next step is assigning switch port to the correct VLAN. PC0 is connected to Ethernet 0/1 and PC1 is connected to Ethernet 0/2. We will assign these two ports to VLAN 2. VLAN 2 was for the management department. PC2 is connected to Ethernet 0/3 and PC3 is connected to Ethernet 0/4. These computers are for our finance department. We will assign these two ports to VLAN 3. Now our network has been divided into two logical networks. PC0 and PC1 are in VLAN 2 and PC2 and PC3 are in VLAN 3. We will test the communication now. First, we test the communication between computers in the same VLAN. PC0 will ping PC1. The ping is successful because both computers are in VLAN 2. Now let's the connection between different VLANs. How about PC0 will ping PC2 in another VLAN. The ping fails. This is expected because VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 are separate networks. To allow communication between different VLANs, we need Inter-VLAN routing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.